Hey everyone, here at Joe's Bikes we have this 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4. It is in the silver and black color scheme. I'm going to do a walk around video to give you an idea of the condition of this bike and to show you how clean it is. Comes with the big windscreen as well as the Brembo brakes with ABS. Has aftermarket adjustable levers as well as the frame sliders. Just about everything else on this is stock outside of this fender eliminator. This bike is done upright. It's got the pigtail for the trickle charge as well. It's going to be tough to tell in this video, but this silver does have some metal flake in it, which really makes it pop in the sunlight. 2022 one owner bike. I'll show you the mileage on the dash here. As you can see there, 380 miles. Let's fire this thing up. Sounds incredible. Sounds like a true race bike. These are awesome. There's a little bit higher handlebars to give you a little bit more comfort on the road. But with the 1100 engine in it, it's incredibly fast. Some people use these for road riding. Some people use these for track riding. You can do either or. We have this listed at joesbikes.net as well as our Facebook page. And we are a licensed dealer, but we don't do dealer fees. The price that you see is the price that you pay. Let us know.